In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress for beginners. Whether you're starting a blog or setting up a website for your business, WordPress is a fantastic platform that offers an array of tools to help you create a beautiful and functional site. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to WordPress.com. When you do this, you'll see the WordPress homepage inviting you to create your site. WordPress is an incredibly popular content management system that powers a large portion of the web today, so you'll be joining a huge and supportive community. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a friendly prompt that says, "Let's get started." This is your gateway to setting up your own WordPress site, so go ahead and click on it. The process is designed to be straightforward, guiding you through the setup with ease. It generally begins with choosing the type of website you want to create. Whether it's a personal blog, a business site, an online store, or something completely different, WordPress provides a variety of templates to suit your needs. As you move forward, you'll be prompted to select a name for your site. Take some time to think about this. It's an important step since your site's name will be part of its identity. Try to pick something that's easy to remember and reflective of the content you plan to share. Also, keep in mind that your domain name, that's the website address people will use to find you, is usually linked with this name. After choosing a name, you'll need to create an account with WordPress. This involves providing an email address and setting a secure password. Remember to choose a strong password to keep your site safe and sound. This account will be your main access point, so it's important to remember these details or keep them stored securely. Moving on, WordPress may guide you through selecting a theme. Themes dictate the look and feel of your site, and there are countless free and premium themes to choose from. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right now, as you can always change it later. Go with something that you feel matches your vision for the site, or simply looks appealing to you at the moment. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! You've set up the basics of your WordPress site. But remember, this is just the beginning. There's a vast array of customizations and features you can explore as you become more familiar with WordPress. Things like plugins, custom menus, and additional pages are all elements you can play around with to enhance your site further. There you have it, folks. With just a few simple steps, you've embarked on your journey with WordPress. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and soon you'll become a WordPress pro. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website